Meaning of inquest.
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 Inquest. An inquest is a legal inquiry carried out by a coroner in order to determine the cause and circumstances surrounding a person's death. The process involves gathering evidence, hearing testimony from witnesses, and examining medical reports and other documents. At the end of the investigation, the coroner issues a verdict that outlines their findings and any recommendations for action or further investigation. The purpose of an inquest is to provide clarity and closure for the family and loved ones of the deceased and to ensure that any potential issues or concerns related to the death are addressed.